Hey guys, welcome to the video. This time we're going to be following along with my buddy's project. His name's Martin and he's doing a custom trailer build. He bought this thing off OfferUp for pretty cheap and basically tore it down to the frame and is going to be doing a build up from there. Eventually it's going to have a rooftop tent on it, but this is some of the early stages of the project and I kind of just wanted to document it and follow him along, see if he needed a hand, and also want to give thanks to my our buddy Sam for letting us use his space and all his equipment to kind of help this job get where it needs to be. So these few clips that we have going, they're just kind of the beginning stages, and it's just like a part one of multiple series. So hope you guys enjoy the video and let me know if you have any questions in the comments below. Something's going on in here. Shoot. Man, some work, some projects. You're ready to go, dude. This thing's almost done. That's Sam Flores. You might have seen him on TikTok. He's a big hit in China. That's how it all started. Terminator, dude. Are you robot or ninja? What are you?
Fire this up. I'll fire this up. Oh. Is it? Is it? This thing's hot.